mix this Crisco and just like you're making a pie crust.
This is more a process than I anticipated it to be.
Fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, you have to learn.
I mean, that's what I got you for, right?
I'm glad you're learning how. You'll be the only one in the family.
I will be.
Mix it up.
I remember you doing this when I was little. I remember sitting at the counter watching you.
Yeah, and eating it too.
Yeah, I would eat the raw dough.
Make biscuits and they'd have them half beat up before I cooked them. Gotta get it to a certain feeling.
What would you describe that as?
I'll show you in a minute when I get it done.
Okay.
Alright. That's it. I love it.
Feels like dough that I used to eat. Some things I guess you probably don't realize you do until
I know.
someone catches you in the act and you're like, well, I've always done that.
I know. We made 50 gallons one time.
How long did that take you?
I don't eat. No, it took me longer than that because I put them in the freezer as I made them. Sold plates at school, you know.
Oh yeah, I remember Mama telling me about that. Everybody came and bought them too.
I mean, everyone in
Where did they
Dumplins is
dumplings?
gone before we could turn around. I forgot what they charged from. We made a lot of money that day. We made 50 gallons of them.
I would eat myself sick.
You see my apron? It says you got to kiss a cook. Uncle Doug brought me that.
You're falling in them.
Yeah, that's all right. You stretch too thin.
You must just really like to
A
cook.
lot of people just mix it all up together, but I make one making it at a time because I don't like a whole lot of it. You can't roll it out good, you know. You slow.
I asked you if I wasn't moving fast enough and you said, take your time.
Well, I was done got mine ready.
Just trying to make them lay out so nice. How much flour do you go through a week?
I was in the sack. Then I get down to the sack. While it's boiling, and one at a time.
Make me hungry. Look at them. Why does it have to be one at a time?
But they won't be stuck together. They won't twist when I'm putting them in there. Kind of shuffle them around a little bit.
Is that like your cue to the fact that they're getting close to done is they stick a little bit to the bottom?
Yeah.
Always makes me feel like a little kid again. The best thing ever. Talk about Southern. Nice glass of sweet tea and some chicken and dumplings.
So you'll have to make dumplings for everybody.